Woo, drama move to open. This is your Monday morning market tracker, and it is Freedom Day here in South Africa, and we are on military lockdown, alcohol prohibition and all. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So I have a couple tiny movements of these trend lines to try to get more reactions and a little better comparison with what we're doing here. So not a whole lot has changed, but I'll show you what I did change to try to get a better look at these reactions that we're getting here. And and yeah, the prohibition is on. So the news in South Africa now is talking about people moonshining and bootlegging and breaking into liquor stores. So it hasn't even been a month and they're already Al Capone out there bootlegging and making moonshine. And they're gonna open the liquor stores back up in like 2 days. So let's take a look at this other model. So here's what I changed. So as you can see here, this opening move smashed that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. This opening move has breached solidly across this outer tangent line that I had. So that's a big thing to watch. And here we get a test and a break of the yellow line. This is the long-term trend line. And then we get another break and a test of the red and yellow lines. And then we get a back test of the green and the red lines. So those are a bunch of big reactions. And what I did here, instead of having this long-term trend line across the peaks, I brought them down to the shoulders. And that spot gets more reactions, and I think that's a better look. I think that's a better look at the reactions. You cross the lines a bit, but you get way more reactions to look at. And then same thing here, instead of having it up on the peak, I brought it back down kind of to where I had it a week or two ago, down here on the shoulders kind of, and you get some reactions. And then you kind of get this wedge here where this is sort of a coil reversal. And then I've added this blue line back, which is sort of the coil reversal zone below this bull market line that we have. And this is the short-term bull market line for the bull trap. And this is the very long bull market line that comes off the bottom of the financial crisis. So as you can see here, we have tested it, broken and tested the reds, and now we're breaking and testing the red and the yellow. So that is all stuff that we saw last time. It's not the exact same shape, but the same type of activity. And then what we would want to see to continue with this is we want to get below the green one and then probably back test the red and the green again. So just right there, like right on that point. And then you can get down and try to consolidate into a lower consolidation line below this red one like we did here and try to target the dead cat bounce. So that is the market tracker update and the news update from South Africa.